We have tankless water heater, ecotouch. Sometimes when we are out of water and we have we have letters EF, then my husband taken off this wood around and knocking on the, I think it's 3 pipes in there, but for some reason I think this is more important pipe up there, because it's something like a ball. It's stuck in somewhere. It should be fell off inside of the pipe, and then it's gonna start working again. So he's taking some tools and softly knocking on the pipes, just in case on 3, but I think more important on the right hand side on the top.